Here's what you're working on the heavy bag today to go ahead and get better. Today is a hands emphasis today. So we are focusing on what we're doing with our hands. And the combination that we're working on and what we've been working on this week is the 1-2. The way we're gonna change it though is when this 1 happens, I'm now going to block before I shoot the 2. After I shoot the 2, I'm gonna go ahead and block again before I disengage. Just changing the combination a little bit with our emphasis being on our hands. So if I show you what that looks like, we're coming jab, block, 2, block, then get out. Then get out. Sit there for a little bit just in case you want to get back in off of an engagement if you get into another catch and counter as well, because that's really what we're working on when we have emphasis in our hands and we're working on counter punching. It's catching counters, but once again, it's going to be jab, block, 2, block, then go ahead and get out. Southpaw, same action is there for you. 1, block, 2, stay, then get out. Then get out. And that's what you're focusing on the heavy bag, on our hands emphasis today. The 1-2, the combination is really going to be jab, block, then the rear hand for my southpaws and my orthodox. But that's the bag emphasis today. You have your warm-ups. That's going to be hands emphasis. You have your cool down as well. You guys know what you're doing, but this is what we're doing on the heavy bag today to get better at boxing.